Let's begin with the latest developments from Meru County following that impeachment that occurred just yesterday. Now listen, the Senate is expected to convene a special sitting in the next 7 days to consider the impeachment of Meru Governor Kawira Mwangaza by Meru County Assembly. This is after the impeachment documents were delivered to the Speaker of the Senate, Amason Kingi. But even as the county awaits the Senate's decision, the county is headed into further crisis after a lobby group began collection of signatures to dissolve the county. Just where does this leave the affairs of the county government, hardly 4 months old? Our senior political affairs reporter Daniel Kariuki kickstarts our broadcast tonight.
The daggers have been drawn in Meru County. Who will be the first to blink? Wednesday, impeachment of Governor Kawira Mwangaza seems to have triggered a supremacy battle between MCAs and the embattled governor in what is proving to be who will have the last laugh.
I'm ready to give you, provided that it is anchored in the law.
Hours after the assembly unanimously voted to send Kawira packing, the resolution has landed on the desk of Senate Speaker Amason Kingi. Following this, the Speaker has 7 days to convene a special sitting to consider the impeachment motion. According to the documents delivered to Senate, Meru County Assembly alleged gross misconduct, the appointment of her husband to the county office, and claims over the dismissal of county officers.
The governor's continued stay in office under the prevailing toxic environment will inevitably undermine effective and efficient service delivery and thus hurt the interests of the people.
And I want to say this without any fear. Governor Kawira cannot bring any honor to this county or even nation, Mr. Speaker. Governor Kawira cannot demonstrate respect to the other people.
With a special sitting expected in the next few days, the Senate will vote to have the governor face the whole House or a special committee on an impeachment and later vote to either uphold or overturn the impeachment. But even as Senate kicks off the business of considering the resolution by Meru County Assembly, residents and our Meru lobby group are said to have collected over 80,000 signatures calling for the dissolution of the county. The lobby group is said to have presented the petition and signatures to Governor Kawira, who will in turn present them to President William Ruto. Article 192 of the Constitution provides procedures for suspension of a county government. The president may suspend a county government in an emergency arising out of internal conflict or war. The president shall form an independent commission of inquiry to investigate allegations against the county government, and if satisfied that the allegations are justified, suspend and also must be authorized by Senate. However, the suspension shall not exceed beyond a period of 90 days before elections for the irrelevant county government are held. In the third Senate, the House considered 5 impeachment motions, among them former Taita Taveta Governor Granton Saboja, Anne Waiguru of Kirinyaga County, Wajia's Mohamed Abdi Mohamud, Kiambu's Ferdinand Waititu, and his Nairobi counterpart Mike Mbuvi Sonko. The Senate overturned Samboja and Waiguru's impeachment, while Mohamud, Sonko and Waititu were sent home. Daniel Kariuki, KTN News.
Shifting focus, the Law Society of Kenya is opposed to a push by